I love ramen. What's up mga dude, Parachong, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna try eating out during quarantine. One of the first things that I thought when we were allowed to dine in was to eat ramen. Because I really like ramen. I love ramen. So in this video, I'm gonna eat some ramen. Craving for some authentic Japanese ramen? Meet Ramen Bari-Uma Jr., offering a wide variety of tasty ramen with noodles that are made fresh each time. In today's episode of Atenista's Food Ventures, we're going to find out if it's yummers or yuckers. So one of the things that's changed with the whole dining experience during quarantine is that you can't eat together, like in one table. You need to be at least 1 meter or 2 meters apart. So that's why I'm alone right now in this table, and on the other table is Mama and Papa. Nagsiselfie pa ako. Huli ka. Ayan. This is very lonely, but you know, again, it's for our safety. Also, by the way, I have Simply Lemon, first and original to serve freshly squeezed lemonade in the Philippines. And support local. They also use paper straw, so it's very environment friendly. And yummy. Ma. Hi. Ayan guys, they gave me water now. Very exciting. Tastes like water. So one of the things that I missed in Japanese restaurants back before the quarantine was when they always say, "Irashaimasen."
Hey, irashaimase.
They don't do that anymore though. And konti na rin yung tao. Oh, nice. Looks like we got one of my orders, the diced chashu. Ayan. So I'm gonna put that on my ramen. By the way, I ordered chashu ramen. My order is complete, guys. So we have the chashu ramen right over here, and then the diced chashu right over there. So we're gonna eat now. Yeah, first bite. Now, my first impressions on the ramen, as soon as I tasted that broth, I fell in love with it. It's a tonkatsu shoyu base, or a broth made from chicken and pork, and it pairs well with their chashu, or their marinated pork belly. Now, you can get the diced chashu for 80 pesos, and the chashu ramen itself for 290 pesos. And guys, here I have my diced chashu. I'm just gonna put it inside the chashu ramen itself, because I'm a meat lover, and this will give me a unique and very meaty ramen experience. I always like doing this. You just mix them together and it pairs well. I really like everything about the chashu ramen. Also guys, I'd like to talk about the noodles. So I've always ordered thick noodles because it absorbs more of the broth. And I find that thin noodles don't really absorb that much of the broth. But the noodles at Ramen Bari-Uma Jr. are perfect. I could taste the broth in every bite. And last but not the least, we go on to probably the thing that defines a good ramen meal: umami. Umami flavor, the term itself is usually thrown without it being explained. Now basically, umami flavor is savory flavor. It's the flavor you get when you have broth. Now, the broth, the umami of Ramen Bari-Uma Jr. is very rich, but it's careful not to overpower any of the other stuff that's put in the ramen. So all of it works together. So here are my final thoughts on Ramen Bari-Uma Jr. Right off the bat, let's look at the appearance. The presentation was very nice. It made everything look mouth-watering. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Looking at the price, however, it's a bit pricey, but that's what you can expect from eating ramen. Price-wise, it's 6 out of 10. But the taste is where it's at. The umami is very rich. So I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Ayun guys, welcome to the new normal. Nakamask na kami lahat, pati na si mama. Wow! So mama, nakita ko na madami-dami pa yung ramen mo ha. Ano nangyari? Hindi mo na...
Ako, busog ako eh.
Busog ka?
Busog, kaya hindi ko na-ubos.
Yeah, yun lang. Ang dami pa. Kids ramen yung in-order mo, di ba?
Oo, kids ramen. Pero marami sa dito sa kids ramen. Lagi naman kids ramen na in-order ko, di ba?
At palaging hindi mo nauubos. Ayan po si mama. Hirap na hirap kainin ang kids ramen na in-order niya. Ayan. Tumigil muna, nag-break. Nakatingin sa camera. Ayan, mukhang galit. Ayan. Inom muna ng tubig para hindi mabigla ang tiyan. Smile. Ayan. Oh, tinutulungan na ni Papa si Mama. Ayan. Kumakain na. Ayan. Buti pa si Papa. Thank you, Papa. Tinutulungan si Mama kainin ang kids ramen na in-order niya.
Ay, dadaan pala tayo Watson eh. Hindi na mga
Watsons. Ayan, guys. New normal.
social distancing.
Ayan nga pala. Alis! Shoo! Shoo! Shoo, shoo! Alis! Social distance. Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Sumimasen, or excuse me. Osumewa nan desu ka? Or what do you recommend? Kore wa nan desu ka? Or what is this? Kore onegai shimasu. Or this please. Menu onegai shimasu. Or menu please. Eigo no menu wa arimasu ka? Or do you have an English menu? Itadakimasu. Or let's eat. Gochou-sama deshita. Or thank you for the meal. And that is it guys for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I won't be eating Japanese food for a while. Sobra ako napusog sa kinain kong ramen. But I do hope you guys try out Ramen Bari-Uma Jr. Just remember to be responsible, be safe, and stay sanitized. Remember, we're all one big happy YouTube family. So I'd appreciate it if you keep spreading the positivity. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one.